In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the font color in Microsoft Word. But before I do, make sure to subscribe. To get started, you don't actually need any text, but for this example, I'm going to use them. So if you've got some text and you want to change the color of it, press Ctrl A or click and drag. That's up to you. Once you've selected the text you wish to change the color of, we're then going to go up to this A here, which has a red line underneath it. So if I clicked on that now, it would turn red. Obviously, if you want red, that's fine. If you don't, then don't click red. We're going to click on the arrow next to it. This will give you a large selection of different colors to use using theme colors and standard colors. You can also use gradients and more colors. So if you're looking for a standard color like this green, select it once and your text will turn green. But let's say you wanted a different shade of green that's not here, then we need to click on more colors. Then I would argue that you need to go to custom. And here we've got the green spectrum here. And here we've got light and dark. So maybe you want a slightly darker shade. So scroll down a little bit and then click OK. If, however, you know the hex number of your color, then you can simply copy in here. I find that really useful. So if you do, then just copy into there. Or if you know the red, green, blue numbers, that would also indicate the color that you're looking for. If you want to keep this font color for all future documents, as in you want to change the default color, we can actually do that. So in order to change the default color, we need to go over to font and click on this downward arrow. Select it once. And you'll notice we have the font, the color, and the preview of what it looks like. So in order to change the default, we need to click set as default. Don't click OK yet because this will say this document only. But let's say you wanted it for all future documents, then we need to select all documents based on the normal .dotm, which is this style here. If you want that, click on it and then click OK. And now, whenever you open up a Word document, your normal font will be size 36, Calibri, and of course, the color green that you chose. If this video helped you, click like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And if you want to learn more about how to change font size, the font types, and even how to install a font into Microsoft Word, then visit my website at www.wordmadeeasy.org. The link is in the description below.